Hello everyone, welcome to a brand new video. Welcome to my fourth attempt or something like that to make a fucking video this month. So, when I was going to do it, I don't have time to do it the right way. So that will be April's video, I hope. My other idea is failing. And now I filled out multiple times, got pissed off, decided to find something else. So, I went to my folder and found the Techno virus for MS-DOS. Cool. I tested it, and in a VM, you don't get the sound. Thanks to my habits and my interest in IT, I have a watching computer sitting around. I have one that's old enough to be error appropriate. Well, it's not 100% error correct. So it does not beat the machine, but it runs DOS just fine. And the sound works. Here is the Techno virus in action. Despite this, I've fixed files. I've run this virus a few times on this computer before in the past, before I even thought about doing this video. So who knows what's been infected and what hasn't been infected. We'll get some file sizes, I'll compare them to editing and see if it's infected stuff. I don't know. I know I come in. See the DOS here. Here's their command.com. Is that number? I don't know what the editing into. The second one is graphics.com, which I think that's normal actually. I've run this under a few times before. I'm just seeing if it's probably on the internet. I doubt it. Well, I'm not sure actually. There's no error. Anyhow, so the Nintendo virus is the virus down here. It's a .com file. So it really infects the .com files. Oh, stop it. This was the keyboard of why he gets stuck. I think the key, I think it's more of a bad keyboard. It's affecting a little laptop, but it works. Anyhow, it is the Techno right here. And if you run it, you get this is a hello, it's the 100com file, 19com test file. So this should infect .com files. I think somebody created this file just to get infected by Techno. Probably some security researcher back in 93. Now this is not the entire effect of the virus. Why would you do this? Why? Fuck up. Stop it. So the idea is to get the file infected by the virus, of course. So malware back in the day, before it was designed to hold your file ransom and store your money, or convince you the FBI with APU and take your money. Before virus became a giant scam, it was done for a couple of reasons. One, to play around. Two, to destroy your computer and your files. Or three, to be cool. This one is non-destructive, not invasive, there's 100 files I can tell. It has a cool little effect to it. Now, I could sit here and do this a lot of times over. And I could be all fucking day doing this shit before it'll finally run. However, with a little bit of bash scripting, you can easily make it do this for you until the payload takes effect. Edit, like no, run that bad. Okay. The heck? Okay. Anyhow, everyone write a simple bash script. I go off C/Techno. Oh wait, I'm gonna go colon A C/Techno.com and then go to A. So what it's gonna do, I go off. It's a standard thing for running a batch valve. Says don't set a little flame when I'm really good. A. The colon A doesn't like a section of code. So when you designate a section of code in batch, you can actually jump around the batch valve. C/techno.com, C/techno, what the fuck? C/techno.com says hey, run this file. And then it goes to the next line, go to A. Oh my god. Fucking keyboard. And then they go to A means they go back to the colon A. And just keep going over and over again. So now we'll save as techno bat. And then we'll go to exit. Now we show the C drive we have techno.bat. Run that. And I can run it a lot of times over itself. I don't know what the criteria is, how it works, but on a random run it will trigger its payload, which is not destructive random, like I said. It just will kind of interrupt your work and confuse you a little bit if you don't know what's going on. So, yeah. This worked pretty quickly the first time. I've had times in the past where it stayed for minutes and still hadn't run yet, and I kind of start over. I would do a break, run it again. It's very finicky. There are modified versions out there where they've skipped the random routine and just seems to run the file. It goes straight to the payload. Theoretically, it's possible to run the normal file and get the payload the first time. It's highly unlikely. So you can see it's been running quite a few times now, and it still hasn't done yet. So I'll kind of play with it here a little bit so you can get working on it. Now my luck, because the fucking camera turned on, it's not gonna work. I do know for a fact that this does work. I literally just did it before I turned the camera on to make sure it worked right here. So I'm done screwing things up on camera. But probably as a fuck you to me, this is gonna work now. Because why not? So I'll let it sit a minute. I'll tell it works. And there you go, this is the actual payload that it should do. So, here's what we're doing with this feature. So, fuck. It plays a tune through the PC speakers. It writes techno, techno, over and over again. And, should you try to interrupt it, like so, you get bitched at and told not to touch the keyboard. Which I say, I'm gonna do it again because, fuck you. So, I'll let it go through the little thing here. And it's all it does. It just does this until it decides it's done. Just the bottom of the screen. Do the thing in the middle, and then it goes away. And oop. Don't tell me what to do, motherfucker. Because I can. I'm gonna do it again. And then go back to what you're doing. So, Control C, override, let it break. So remove it, if it infects your program, it'll do its thing, then run your program as normal, and move on. So, that is the techno dashboard. To compare it to the beginning here, let's see, did it, damn it. Did anything? I don't think so. That's what I do. I don't think it's changing. It shouldn't affect files. This version might be different. Maybe it doesn't. I don't know. But I'll compare numbers to what they should be. Toward the beginning, maybe it just doesn't do it on this copy. But at least all the people, that's all I wanted to say. We have enjoyed this week's moment. Now video. It's a quick one. It's a quick one. I have a better one for next month. Hopefully it works. Which, after today, we'll see. But I'm going to turn on that soon, and not 3 days before I need it done. Just totally by fault, but it's minor details. And yeah, hope you all enjoyed the video. That's me, guys. Take it easy.